In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize an Elementor website for speed. We'll keep things simple and focused, using Elementor's built-in performance controls so you can get faster load times without extra plugins or complicated setup. Before you start, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard and Elementor is up to date. Head to Elementor, open Settings, and click the Performance tab. This is where Elementor centralizes key optimizations. We'll walk through each option, why it matters, and what to expect after you turn it on. First, set CSS print method to external file. This tells Elementor to generate and serve your styles as separate files instead of embedding them in line on every page. External files can be cached by browsers and your server, which reduces page size and speeds up repeat visits. After enabling this, give your site a quick check. Elementor handles file generation automatically, and you should see more consistent, cache-friendly behavior across pages. Next, enable optimized image loading. Images are often the biggest factor in slow pages. With this setting on, Elementor smartens up how images are requested so they don't block the initial render. You'll typically see faster first paint and a smoother scroll experience, especially on image-heavy sections. Your images will still look the same. They'll just arrive more efficiently. Now enable optimized Gutenberg loading. If you use blocks alongside Elementor, this reduces unnecessary scripts and styles from loading when they're not needed. The result is a leaner page footprint and fewer requests, which helps both desktop and mobile performance. Turn on lazy load background images. Backgrounds set via Elementor can be large and are often below the fold. Lazy loading waits to fetch those backgrounds until they enter the viewport, which lowers the initial payload and improves time to interactive. Your visitors get to the content faster, and media below the fold loads only when relevant. Finally, enable Google Fonts. This is an important change. With this option on, Elementor streamlines how font files are requested, helping reduce render blocking behavior and cutting down on duplicate font loads. Consistent font delivery improves perceived speed and prevents layout shifts as text styles apply. When you're done, save your changes and browse a few key pages: your home page, a blog post, and a landing page. Watch for snappier first loads and even faster reloads thanks to caching. If anything looks off after these tweaks, simply resave the settings and clear your browser cache. That's it. Clean, safe speed wins using Elementor's own tools.